Hi there, this is Fakir, Yogi Virendra. You know why I call myself Fakir? Because this is my destination. This is the basic purpose of my life. Remain dedicated, committed, striving, seeking, finding different ways and means to really serve the motherland, India and the Mother Earth. My only definite purpose of life is to see the world heaven where there is absolute peace, calmness, joy, happiness, serenity, not only for mankind, but for birds, beasts, animals and plants. I belong to the ancient India. The philosophy reverberates in my conscience. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole earth is our family. Atma Sarvhutesu. Every creature is having similar feelings. I got this realization. When I feel happy, I see the animals, birds, fish, animal, plants feeling happy. Once they are unhappy, my heart melts, bleeds. I suffocate. But the cruel human being, they are predators like lions, tigers, hyenas, wolves, wild dogs, beasts, kill the innocent birds, animals, to satisfy their hunger. Shame. It's absolute shame. These fools who are killing without any discrimination different species, they are dwindling day by day. Some of the countries are permitting the outsiders like Pakistan, permitting the Arabian kings, the wealthy merchants to come to Islamabad and go to the lakeside and hunt and prey those innocent, the dwindling birds species. Shame. They are heavily paid for that. That's why the yogi, Virendra Yogi, the fakir, want to educate the world people. Be kind, be compassionate. Don't kill. I belong to the land of Gautama Siddhartha Buddha, the enlightened one who knows the absolute truth. Even Einstein accepted his greatness. Gautama Siddhartha Buddha was the greatest inventor and greatest scientist. He discovered truth. What is truth? Non-violent way of living. Always telling the truth. Always being generous, kind and compassionate and never stealing anything. Always controlling your mind. Absolute control your mind by meditation, and your mind should have absolute grip on love, joy, serenity. Also you should have absolute feelings of pity for the suffering masses, and you must desist from being impure mind. Right view, right understanding, right words, right speech, right action, right effort, right means of livelihood, right mindfulness, right meditation, right contemplation. Everyone should learn this. Those who are Christian, they must understand Jesus Christ and Buddha, they are twins. If you read Bible and if you read Dharmapada, the ego with the same philosophy. Love, kindness, compassion. Of course, they were humans like us. They must have told something which may not be beyond their comprehension. Like a lot of discoveries of Jesus Christ were proved wrong by the scientific invention. That is possible. Day by day, the world is becoming more intelligent because of its persevering, wise human being. They are really creating new wonders, new discoveries, new inventions. So the world is changing, becoming better place by scientific innovation and discovery. Simultaneously, there is a degeneration of the soul, the spirit. They are becoming more violent. Greed, anger, hatred, and jealousy thoughts are dominating their mind. So dear friends, I tell you, be like the fakir, loving creature, loves everyone. I love you, but I request you, please love everyone. Educate everyone. You can only learn loving once you are educated, enlightened. You can only love everyone if you know that you are going to die any moment, any time. There is no set time and place for your demise and death. If you are feeling that you will die any time, as was Marcus Aurelius, we are whatever thought makes of it. We are what we think all day long. We are what we think. All that we are arises with our thought. With our thought made the world. Thought in the mind has made us. What we are by thought was rotten built. If a man's mind has evil thought, pain comes to him as comes the wheel behind the ox. Sure, the wisest of the wise, repeatedly from generation to generation, have educated the suffering humanity to get rid of this grief, pain. They are burning like a bread on the frying pan, crying out of ignorance, indolence, thoughtlessness, and foolish thoughts and greed. Arise, awake, learn the truth.